Today I'm going to cook this one, the red cabbage, until some kind of cabbage casserole. We have this one in Sweden for Christmas or for Sunday roast and so on, but I'm going to do the little bit more healthy way. So put on the table the red cabbage, honey, water, apple cider vinegar, clove, bay leaf, 1 apple and salt and pepper. So now I will begin to cut up the cabbage and the apple. I'm gonna fry this one in a little bit of canola oil. So in these pieces, it's not that important. So in with the red cabbage. I really love the color of red cabbage. So now I want to fry this for a few minutes. And then I will go in with the apple. And I become well aware of my how my hair looked like before, so I have to fix the hair. So I think I will put in the apple at the same time now.
Why this apple? It's a special apple?
I took the apple I had at home,
yeah.
But some kind of sweet apple, yeah. So not a Granny Smith or some kind of red apple. So in here I have 1 big apple, 1 kilo of red cabbage, half a deciliter is 50 milliliters of water, 50 milliliters of apple cider vinegar, and 5 cloves and 2 bay leaves. And for the honey, I will maybe a tablespoon, not so much. So now I will fry this for a few more moments and then we will be back. Now I've been frying this one for a few moments and I can see it begin to be a bit soft. So now we will go in with the honey, and how much I don't know. Like that. Can that be tablespoon, little more? Not so much, because the apple is it's sweet in itself. And the cloves, they smell delicious. And the bay leaves, 2 of them. Salt. Black pepper. Maybe I will add some more salt and black pepper, but I will taste that one off after it has been boiling for some time. And now the water and the apple cider vinegar from my beautiful cups from Gran Canaria. Smells good.
Yeah, it smells incredible.
Yeah. So now this will be boiling for about 45 minutes. So you have to check it from time to time, because if you have to add some more water, so the cabbage will get really tender, really soft. So see you in 45 minutes. I will check. I think I will add some more liquid. Yes, a little bit more water. Look at these beautiful colors.
Yeah, the smell. The smell is incredible.
We have to see. Ah, I can see the color has become more dark.
Yeah, you see it better in
Yeah.
the pot.
So I think this one is done.
How many minutes?
Now we have been 1 hour. So you don't know how long time it's gonna take, but this in 1 hour, so it just
Depends on the cabbage. It's
Yeah.
gonna get we need a lot. We like it soft.
yeah. Maybe if you like it a bit harder,
Yeah.
then you just boil it for 40 to 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, hot. Hmm. Hmm. It's soft, but it has a little bit of a core, so that core will be done when this has been cooled off. So this is completely finished. I will add a little bit more of salt, actually. A little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper. And this is just with your own taste. And this is my version of this dish, because I want this dish to be a little bit healthy. I know people have a lot of more honey or sugar, a lot of butter in it. I just have a little bit of canola oil and a very little amount of honey. So I like this one to be healthy. So yeah, how do you cook your red cabbage? And do you like this one? Try it. And please give me a thumb up and make a comment. Tell me how you do it. And if you do this one, let me know what you think. And see you in the next one.